Just woke up in the morning and I thought about a flow. And this bitch that started calling, I don't care about the hoe. When I started rapping, nigga, I wasn't living. Fast forward 7 years, now a nigga got better. I'll be working every day, now I'm better than the little. Woke up in the morning and I'm rolling me a blunt. Smoking every day, I'm not doing this for fun. Spin around on the ops, wanna join, say so. We burn the CD to the ground, wanna join, say so. They send my dogs to the pound, so I better lay low.
Nike shoes, we in. Black jeans, we in.
Don't live in the dark, you look like a dark. I don't give a fuck, because I come a block. There is a punk, you look like a fuck.